Hey guys, for homework, this is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to put in the prepositions and find out where they go. So you have about, across, for, from, in, into, of, 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 on, up, and without. Okay? If you haven't done it yet, stop the video, do the exercises, and then come back. Here they are. The computer giant Apple has removed all customer reviews from several of its online Apple stores. The reviews section was a useful way for customers to leave feedback for other people about Apple's products. The reviews section on the Apple Store began disappearing last week. Apple has removed the ratings and reviews section of its online stores across the world. The reviews pages have gone from the stores in the USA, United Kingdom, and Australia. This means that anyone in those countries wanting to find reviews on Apple products will have to visit other websites. Apple has not yet commented on its decision to remove the ratings and reviews section, so nobody knows why they have taken this action. Moving forward to exercise 2, the answers. The website PCMag.com speculated that the removal could have been a mistake, but then it said the removal was part of a new Apple policy. It said, clearly, Apple has decided its online store is better without customer feedback for some reason. Alternatively, the customer feedback system is being overhauled. PC Mag said Apple used to be very open and allow all kinds of comments, including very negative reviews. It said Apple wasn't shy about leaving extremely negative reviews and ratings up on its store in the past. It added, we're all heading into the busiest shopping period of the year, and Apple Online Store customers have lost an important source of information when deciding what to buy. So guys, those are the answers. If you like this, let me know. I'll try to make more videos like this. And again, have a great weekend. Bye for now.